Okay, hello grade 1. It's grade 1 again. Sorry. Hello grade 2. Now it's our computer lesson number 1. Okay, I'm used to grade 1. Ano ba yan? Okay, so for our lesson, it is about the processing device. So, the processing device is our CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit. So the CPU helps convert all the data into useful information. It is also known as the brain of the computer. Okay, the CPU, the Central Processing Unit, it is also known as the brain of the computer. And it is located inside the system unit. So, yung system unit natin, we have two main parts. So, the first one is external parts. The external parts are the one the one outside the system unit. You can see this outside. So, we have here casing, yung hard case that covers and protects the system unit. So, by the way, this is the system unit, this one. Okay, so, andyan yung external parts first, casing. So, ang casing natin, ito yung casing. There, yung nagpo-protect sa cover and it covers and protects the one inside the system unit. Next, number 2, we have power switch. So, where's the power switch here? Eto, yan. Okay, so may power switch dyan. We use this para ma-on natin yung ating computer. Ginagamit to turn on the computer. Okay, next is reset switch. Reset switch. Ito naman is used to restart your computer without turning it off. Okay? Without turning it off. And it usually used when the computer hangs. Okay? Next is the Universal Serial Bus or USB port. Okay, this one. Andyan, marami dyang USB ports. USB means Universal Serial Bus. Okay? Ito, it is where a slot where the USB devices such as the flash drive are inserted. So, dito nyo ini-insert. So, kapag may mga USB kayo. Next is the CD, DVD, ROM drive. It is where the CD or DVD is inserted. So, i-click nyo yun, may lalabas yan o may lalabas. And then it's like, what's this? Yung drawer. And then ilalagay nyo yung CD. Then close nyo ulit. Okay? Next is the headset and speaker port. So, this one. Headset and speaker port. Yan, makikita din yan. It is, the headset and speaker is inserted. Next, other port. So, marami pang port. Merong mouse port, keyboard port, microphone port, and another USB ports here. Okay? So, yan yung holes at the back of the system unit. Ito yung back ng system unit na pwede nating i-insert ang ating mouse, keyboard, okay? Ang mga USB port. Okay, next is LED or light emitting diode. Okay, so diyan, may ilaw. Okay? So yung LED, andyan yung ilaw. It is the blinking light around the power switch. Okay, next. Punta na tayo sa ating So this one are the internal part, external parts. The parts that we can find outside ng ating system unit. Okay? So meron din dito VGA port, yung may mga VGA, this one is used for monitor and then may fan dito. Okay? Power socket, andito. Yung sinasaksak yung socket para dan magkakaroon ng kuryente. Okay, next punta tayo sa second part and that is the internal parts. This one is located inside the system unit. Inside the system unit. So we have, what's this? Power microprocessor. Okay, this is the small chip called the microprocessor. Okay, it is also known as the CPU unit, and it serves as the brain of the computer. Okay, next is ROM, RAM chip. ROM and the RAM chip. Next is the motherboard. It is where the cards, the processor, and the memory chips are placed. Yung mga, ito, yung ROM and RAM. Okay, next is power supply. Okay, power supply. It supplies electrical power that enables all the internal parts to work. Okay, next is, okay, now I'm gonna show you the internal part. So this one, okay? So andito yung mga chip. Okay, there. Yung motherboard. Okay? Power cords. So this one is the internal chip. Okay, now let's practice. So you will just identify if it is inside the system unit, it is outside, inside, or outside. So number one, CD and DVD ROM drive. So this one is, ready? Think outside or inside. Open the floor. Please say it. The correct answer is outside. Okay, next. Microprocessor or yung small chip. Small chip called microprocessor. Inside or outside? Say it. Correct. It is inside. Next, number three. Motherboard. Motherboard. Inside or outside? Say it. Correct, it is inside. Next, number four, LED, yung nagla-light, nagbi-blink na light. Is it in outside or inside the system unit? Say it. Correct, it is outside the system unit. Now, for number five, yung casing, yung nagpo-protect dun sa system unit. Inside or outside? Ready? Say it. Correct. It is outside. Now, please get your book and open it on page 84. Page 84. You are going to write in if it is inside and out if it is outside the system unit. Okay? Number one, LED. Nakuan ko to kanina. Example, LED. Okay, the blinking light inside, in or out. Right? Next, number two, USB port. USB port. Saan siya nakikita? Inside, in or out? Next, number three, motherboard. Motherboard, in or out? In or out? Next, number four, microprocessor. Microprocessor, in or out? In or out? Yung small chip yan. Okay, next, number five, RAM chip. Okay, ang mga chips, saan makikita? In or out? In or out? And number six, ROM chip. ROM chip. In or out? In or out? Number seven, power supply. Power supply. In or out? In or out? Next, number 8, yung CD, DVD, ROM drive. Yung sabi ko kanina, it looks like a drawer. Pag clinic niyo yun, and then lalabas, then ilalagay yung CD and DVD. So, is it inside or outside? in or out. Next, number 9, casing. Yung hard, nagpo-protect dun sa ating system unit. Hard case. In or out. And number 10, power switch. Kung saan tini-turn on natin yung ating system unit. You can see it where? In or out. Okay, now let's go to our output devices. So it displays the information using output device. These are used to display the result of what you are doing in your computer. So we have here monitor, printer, and speaker. So but for now, we will only talk about monitor. And the printer and speakers sa sunod ng lesson. Kasi tigdadalawa, CPU and monitor today. The next meeting, printer and speaker. Okay? So output device, monitor first. Monitor, it is like a TV set that shows information through a screen. So ayan yung screen natin. As you can see, so this is your screen. The output shown in the screen are called soft copy. So for example, may pina-type si Teacher Bal na project, type. You're done working on your project. The one that you can see in your screen, that is the soft copy of your work. What we call it? Soft copy. Once we print it, it will become hard copy because we can touch it already. But if we are using our eyes, hindi pa natin nahawakan, eyes pa lang, soft copy. Pero pag nahawakan na natin, it's on the paper, then it's hard copy. Okay, now we have 3 kinds of monitor. We have a cathode ray tube monitor, liquid crystal display monitor, and the light emitting diode monitor. So this is the parts of the monitor, speakers. It's here. So in each monitor, iba-iba yung pinaglalagyan yan. But may mga parts din yung ibang pero yung mga parts parehas lang. Pero sometimes the speakers are on this side or maybe dun sa ibang side. Okay? So, but yung mga parts is still the same. Okay? So, sa speaker, sa monitor ni Teacher Bal, okay? But ito muna, dito ang gagaminin natin yan. Yung the monitor that we are going to use is itong monitor dito sa book. Okay? Yung speaker niya nasa side. Display screen, this one. Okay? Where you can see the display. Monitor stand, this one. Monitor base, this one. Adjustment buttons. Okay, may mga buttons dyan. And then this is the power switch. Power switch. Okay, so what is the meaning of speaker? What is the meaning of speaker? The speaker produce sound from the computer. Okay, the speaker, you can hear there the sound produced from the computer. Next is the display screen. So what is a display screen? This is where you see the things you are doing in the computer. Anything that you can see here, the one that you're working here, it is called what? Soft copy. Once you print it, hard copy. Okay, very good. Next, monitor stand. So this monitor stand, it serves as the knee or leg because it holds the monitor screen. So ito yung kanyang knee and leg. But when it comes to monitor base, yan na yung kanyang paa. Okay, it serves as the toe or foot because it supports the weight of the entire monitor. Next, the LED. May mga LED dyan. Kasi ang LED yun yung mga light. Okay? Light emitting diode, which serves as a signal if the monitor is on and off. Kapag may nandito yan, may mga light dyan. Ang tawag dyan is LED. Next is adjustment buttons on this one. Adjustment buttons, you can use these buttons to adjust the color of your screen and the brightness of your screen. Okay, so if you want to higher, up, adjust it, lower, down, like that. May adjustment screen buttons dyan. And power switch, yan, dyan natin ini-on yung ating monitor. Okay, now, so this is the meaning. And get your, what's this? Again, your book, computer book, open it on page 90. 90. Okay, now you are going to choose your answers from here. So I'm gonna read, identify the parts of a monitor, select the best answer from the box. So the choices are, we have 6 choices, but we only need 5, okay? So we have adjustment buttons, monitor stand, display screen, monitor, soft copy, power switch. Okay, number 1, it is where you see the soft copy or the things you are doing on your computer. I will repeat, it is where you see, okay, the soft copy or the things you are doing on your computer. Please write your answer. Next, number 2, it is the switch that will allow you to turn on or off your computer. It is the switch that will allow you to turn on and off the computer. Next, number 3, it supports the weight of the monitor. Yung buong weight of the monitor, the whole weight of monitor. It supports the weight of the monitor. Next, number 4. This device looks like a television set that shows output on the screen. It looks like a TV. It looks like a TV. And number 5, these are the buttons used to adjust the color and the brightness of the screen, of the display screen. So you can move up, higher, or lower, that one. So what do you call to that buttons? Okay, done. If you're not yet done, just pause this video and then play when you finish. So for your assignment, study for our quiz tomorrow. Take a picture of pages 84 and 90 and send it in our class dojo. Thank you everyone and see you tomorrow. Bye.